10,000 subscribers. I have 10,000 subscribers because of you and your support. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Susan here. I've been doing this for a little while now, and I never thought I would get to this point, but I am so excited that I did, and I thank you so much for your support. I have 10,000 subscribers. We have a lot going on, a lot brewing that I'm going to be talking about soon, but I want to thank you first and foremost for the 10,000 subscriptions, for your views, for your likes, for your comments, and for your subscriptions. She doesn't like the camera, not sure why. She's afraid of the camera actually. But thank you so much for the 10,000 subscribers. And if you're just viewing it for the first time and you're seeing this video, check out my other videos. Like them if you like them, share them. Also subscribe, because this is how I'm able to continue doing what I'm doing. So I thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.